Yeah, it's like the third or the fourth time that this Range Rover with only 20,000 kilometers has to go back to the shop because the check engine light is still on. I always laughed at my friend's Volkswagen Golf with its check engine lights, which is kind of normal, but yeah. So now my Range Rover has the same issue. I'm not gonna laugh with it anymore. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and we're back at my friend's garage, secret location. Jeep, jeep. We get some news about the Superduro. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. Still a little bit dark. Lighten up. Here we go. Ugly face again. So look what we got over there in the corner. Yeah, it's all the way over there. So I really apologize. You know, I've been taking it out for a couple of months. I think last time might have been Christmas. So really sorry about that. I'm gonna clean it up today. It's been 3 months from Christmas video that I've used the Superduro, but I've been busy, other videos, other stuff. But you guys really liked the Superduke GT video. It was 1 out of 10. It's like YouTube thingy where you can see how good your video performs. And yeah, the Superduke GT moto vlog, my first vlog ever, did very good, much of likes, and a lot of people watched it for a very long time. So that's pretty good. So I was like, maybe I should put on my moto vlog helmet and take the Superduro for a little ride next time. So here at my buddy's garage, secret location, don't talk about it to anyone, and yeah, I'm gonna clean up the Superduro and let's see what we got. So last time, you guys, we had my friend bought this Z600 from Honda. He's totally lost the plot, and he also bought this S800. Not only did he buy that S800, but he also bought a little Civic and a Corvette. So I'm not sure what he's doing, but he's buying like all these very expensive retro Honda cars, and I pretty like it. I like it a lot. I'm a Honda guy, you know? And yeah, look what we got over here.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci.
So very dirty, very nasty. It even stinks. I have no idea where I was at with it, but it smells pretty fishy. I'm gonna clean her up, give her some TLC today, and next video, I just farted. And next video, I'm gonna take it out for a moto vlog. I'm gonna shred for you guys, so make sure to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss out on the next one. Let's give her some TLC. You know, what I really love about this bike is it's not only just the looks, it's how vicious and big it actually is to be an off-road motor. And it still scares me today. And like, just like no other motorcycle in my life that scares me as much as that thing. Probably because this one tried to kill me a couple of times that it starts to scare me, but yeah. Anyway, let's make some room over there and let's get it out. And this is why I love these old little Honda cars. Look at that Z600. Look how easy I can move it. 4 fingers and a thumb. Look. You can just pull it back with like 4 fingers and a little thummy. Look. That's hilarious. who would have thought that you just leave a motorcycle for like 5-6 months in the cold, dirty and wet, it wouldn't start afterwards? Who would have thought that? Who would have thought that? Good job, Smokey, good job. Let's get the battery charger.
How dare you?
So just disconnected the dongle. That's the dongle. And if you have a Superduke R and you're like, what the hell's a dongle? God damn it, guys, you guys have been missing out. So as you guys know, if you turn on a Superduke R and you want to turn off wheelie mode, if you want to turn on the wheelie mode, you gotta like stop the bikes, you gotta start it up. When it's running, going to your MTC menu, turning some stuff off, ABS, can't really remember what, but you gotta turn off a lot of goo. And well, if you got a dongle, it remembers your last settings. So even if you start the bike up a couple months later, it will still remember what your last setting was. So most of you guys know I was really going mad for it. Just started the bike, turned it back off, had to go back to the settings before you could wheelie it, stop a couple meters down the road, go to the shop, get out. Yet again, you gotta go back to the menu and switch everything off again, and that's time consuming. My English is so poor today, so that's very time consuming. Anyway, get a dongle, it's about $100. Computer, put it in, plug and play, and no need to go through those menus. So unplug the dongle, hook up the battery. God damn it. So it's kind of stupid that I'm like charging motorcycle now. I could just clean it up, put it back away and charge it then. That's a lot better. Seriously, I need a garage as big as this one. I don't need a big house, I need a freaking big garage. And as I'm just pushing out the bike, I was like, wait a second, that over there is like a lot more greasy than that over there. So I'm not sure what's causing that, but it looks like some oil is leaking out of somewhere. So yeah, we gotta take a look at that. Yeah, I feel so bad for her. I really neglected her. Gotta spend some time with her now. We gotta connect again. I mean, yeah. It's probably gonna need a... Damn, this is a dirty lens. God dang it. So it's probably gonna need a cleaning or 2-3. Foam it up one time. I'm gonna foam it up another time today. I don't have time for it, but it needs a little bit more cleaning. Really sorry about that. Now look at that. Ain't that a gorgeous piece of KTM engineering? Well, it's not as original as KTM built it, but you know, it's my engineering. So yeah, yeah. And there we have it. Superduro, Superduke R off-road thingy is back in business. Cleaned it up. Still gotta put it back to put it on a charger, so the battery can battery can recharge and get healthy again, so I can take it out. So next video, maybe not the next video or the video after, I'm gonna take it out for a point of view ride, and I'm gonna do a moto vlog on that beast. It's gonna be gnarly. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Touch up on the Superduro. And oh yeah, before I forget, Instagram. Now, I've never given a little crap about Instagram, but these days it turns out if you have more followers on Instagram, bigger companies like, for example, KTM or whatever, are more likely to give you some motorcycles or stuff to review and things like that. So here's my Instagram link, Smokey SMP. Just go there, like, and yeah, I do some daily things over there, so follow my stories if you want. And that's about it. That's it for today's video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video when I'm taking this beast out for a gnarly ride. Take care, stay safe. See you guys later. Peace.